Hey, what's up? It's the Outdoors Vlog. Glad y'all are here. Just a quick little rundown on the video that you're about to watch. It's painful. Watch all the way to the end because it does become worth it in the end. But like, camera angles are terrible. I didn't have a bipod, tripod, gimbal, nothing. I completely blanked out and forgot that I needed to turn my camera, so most of the footage is vertical, and anybody that knows what YouTube's about knows that ain't right. I did towards the end get that right. Still didn't have any good options for setting the camera up, but you definitely want to watch for the big fish at the end. Let me know what you think about it. I promise you this is getting better. I'm at least going to be filming every time I go out, even when I make all these gaffes. And you know what? This is me. I'm as real as it gets. I ain't trying to sugarcoat nothing. I know I ain't no professional anything except for being an electrician, and even some days that's questionable. But anyway, I'm not a bass master. You know, I'm just a master electrician that likes to go fishing a lot, and I get out there, and I like to bring you guys along. You stay to the end. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It helps my self-esteem a lot if you get that subscribe button, that notification button. You won't want to miss anything. Obviously, if nothing else, you can laugh at me like, look at this guy, I think he's a YouTuber. So you definitely don't want to miss anything one way or the other. Either you're going to like the fishing or you're going to like all the fails, and either way it can be entertaining to somebody, and I'm here for your entertainment. So just stay tuned and see what you think. Thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Outdoors Vlog. I've got my kayak right here. Guess what? I ain't putting it in the water. I ain't got the time. I just got a few minutes here, just a little bit here at the old creek. And what I got here is I got some Bobby Garlands. I got them. I got some Arky jig heads. That's what I use when I'm doing this creek fishing. This is just whatever will bite. I do have some non-Bobby Garlands, these little frisky frogs, the old cream water frisky frogs. And I've got these Bobby Garland BG creature, a little bit bigger, just in case I'm seeing something like they're not going after the little stuff. I've got my Lew's laser light speed spin still on this cheapo, I think it's a Shakespeare. Anyway, just a small 4-foot. I got 4-pound line, trilene, smooth casting. You wish me luck. And I have a good feeling that I'm going to catch some of these fish as they're waking up for the year. So we'll see you on the water. Actually, I'm bank fishing, but by the water. Well, I don't have a tripod, bipod, anything. All I've got is my hands and my iPhone for video. So I can't get a lot of really good footage here, even if I was to catch something decent. But I'm going to get what I can. I don't have the time to really go poking around. A bunch of sunfish out bouncing around, little pecking around on my Bobby Garland. I'm gonna walk over here under the bridge. There's a lay down right here in the creek. You see that right there? A lay down right over there inside. Been there. I've caught many a smallmouth and spotted bass right off there, and of course a good number of bluegill and sunfish. So let's see what we can do. Water's cleared up quite a bit, dropped down to a more normal level. I ought to be able to catch a fish. Like I said, there ain't no, I don't have nothing to hold a camera for me. Now I'm gonna set it all up in this tree here and try to catch something. I think it's probably gonna be sunfish here. Just for a minute, we'll see. y'all could hear me at all. I realized y'all couldn't even see me. There was a spotted bass, just a little bitty fella, that was following mine and even kind of nipped at my little Bobby Garland, the one I had on there. It was more of a natural color or whatever. This here is black and chartreuse. I just put it on. It's a little bit longer tail and everything, a little wobble to it. It's like 2 inches long, really. But I just tossed that in there, and actually this little bitty sunfish went crazy all over it. So I'm gonna try and turn this without knocking it over. See something together here. I know I was just talking. I seen a big spot. I mean, I'm talking 3 or 4 pounder that just lumbered. I cast, I brought through this little area, little channel. It's kind of a hard bottom flat between this bar and the bank. And just as my lure come through and about back up to me, I seen this big spotted bass just go lumbering through right where my lure just come from, and kind of got me to thinking that it was probably coming off a bed and just kind of making sure everything was okay. But I couldn't get it. So I'm moving a little bit. I'll probably have to throw another time or two over there. I couldn't see where she went or exactly where she come from, but she's big, real big. Anyway, I see a smallie right here. You won't be able to see it probably on this camera, but we're gonna try it. There's a spotted bass kind of chilling out right there too. I don't know what to do with my camera. I don't know what to do with my camera right now. I've got you on rear facing camera, and I'm gonna try and catch this bass one-handed if I can. Haul a bunch of sunfish decide they want my lure too. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna go catch this bass. It's a little bitty spot. I think there was a bigger smallmouth I've seen just kind of cruising the area, but this little spot, there's a bluegill in the mix there too. Look at that. I don't know if y'all probably can't see that at all with this camera on this water, but I think that spot is probably, it's acting almost like it's on a bed. Oh, I've just stuck my lure right on the other side of that log right there. My camera angle is terrible. I've got you set up on a deadfall over here. I'll show you in a minute where it's at. There's several bass here, and there's definitely a spotted bass that seems to be on a bed. It ain't a very big bass, probably a little buck, just getting the bed set up and everything. I'm all tangled. Several decent bass swimming around here though. There we go. A bunch of bluegill too. I don't understand that. The bass would be letting them hang out, but sunfish, all that, all kinds of fish out there. But that was a sunfish. Just went after it. I don't know what to do. Now you can kind of see where he was at. Yeah. All right. I don't know what to do to give y'all any kind of camera angle at all, but let's see here. Maybe this will work. Boy, I gained some weight since last year, I guarantee that. I can see that camera. Camera adds 10 pounds. Well, a year adds 35 or 40. Every bit of 40 actually, that's what it is. That's the number. I'm not sure what to do about it. With this new bin. I gotta get going before I do. As the old song says, before I go. Camera angles are weird for me. I just realized I've been doing this wrong the whole time. I've had my camera right side, like straight up and down, like you ain't supposed to have for the YouTube. I messed up AA Ron. I just realized I had my camera angle wrong the whole time. Sometimes I'm a complete noob. You know why? Because basically I'm a complete noob. And I'm not a smart one sometimes. So, there we go. I'm like on borrowed time now. I should be gone already. But I'm just bound and determined just about to try and catch a fish on camera before I leave. I just need to get it done. For a little while now. I should have brought my fluke and my other rod so I can get on the far bank over there. A bunch of rocks over there that tend to produce quite a bit. And with this little bitty get up here, I don't have the weight or nothing to get over that far. I don't know. I don't know, folks. I just don't know. It's like I should be catching fish here. Ain't no doubt about that. There should be fish wanting to eat what I have to offer. I just had a tiny little spot that just turned and burned on my lure like it was gonna eat it, but then it didn't. Decent one right there, just turned and looked at it. The current takes that 32nd ounce real quickly. Not a lot I can do with that, see. I can't catch a fish. I can't even seem to catch one. I want to be caught just about. got a good one, if I can get it in. Worth all of the time involved. Yeah, boy. Whew. Yes. Check that baby out. Look at that. Look at that on 4-pound line, little ultralight rod. I don't know how much it weighs, barely hooked. I'm talking, oh, I'm gonna fall in the creek. Barely hooked inside there. I'm talking like just a little piece of the skin. How in the world didn't come off? It got me up in that deadfall for a second. I guess it's in a tough piece of skin right there because it ain't coming out. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. I'd say, I don't know. I'd say it's about 3 pounds, give or take. Oh, tail all messed up from making a bed. See that? Oh, look at that. Yes. Oh, largie. There were some spots right down there where this was the largie. This was a largie. I didn't even see it just come. Oh, all right. Well, let's get her back in the water. I'm gonna try to get her back right over there where I got her from. Oh man. Yes. Yes. There she goes. Whoa. Yeah. Finally paid off. I was out here for a little over an hour. Finally paid off. That's what I'm talking about, old son. That got me fired up. I mean, I literally was like, hey, I have to go. I gotta get going. That got me so fired up. Oh, straightened my hook out a little bit, but not too bad. Whew. Boy, she had me up inside the brush and everything. And definitely my PB on the year, no doubt. All right. Well, that's all I can do for now. I gotta get going. The outdoors vlog out. All right, so like I said, it was worth it to the end. Big bass there at the end on that little bitty line. Hopefully y'all found that entertaining. I know the audio was terrible. It was just mostly a bunch of stuff. I didn't have my microphone set up or nothing like that. So it was just my phone, way too much distance. I'm working on trying to figure something out on that. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so, please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you think about it. Leave in comments what you think, and subscribe and tell your friends. Share the page, share the video, whatever. I appreciate it. Like I said, it helps my self-esteem a lot when I see people liking my stuff, subscribing to my channel, and sharing it with their friends. So thanks. See you on the next one. Oh yeah, and as always, may your lines be tight and your rods bent, or may your rods be bent and your lines tight and stuff like that.